All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and unwrap 5 rolls of dimes, all customer wrapped for your viewing pleasure. You know, dimes, probably not one of the more popular coins to search today. I think more so because there's not a lot of varieties. Silver is few and far between. And if you did find one, they're not, it's not going to make or break it any way. You found a coin that's worth about $1. And, at that point, you're just putting it toward your stack, right? So we're just going to go ahead and blow through these pretty quickly. I'll read off the dates. If there's anything worthwhile mentioning, I'll let you know. So there's 03D, 99D, 04D. Now, there are a few dates I'll pull aside, Yeah, someone had commented that, that I had very bad coin roll hunting habits, and I'm okay with that. I'm not... There's no wrong way to coin roll hunt, that's for sure. These coins are pocket change to me, so... The video might not be squared up. I actually dropped my tripod down a little bit, so that way, it'll be easier for you guys to actually see the coins as I'm thumbing through them. Okay, bunch of Denver minted coins. Nothing with any sort of fanfare in that little spot there. 2002, 91, 10, 17D. It's a 96p. Just once, I want to find a 96 West Point. I've never found one. There are people that have found one. Now, keep in mind, these are coins that are sold in the mid set collection. So we got a 2002P and an 01D. Yeah, the 96 West Point is a collector edition type coin that was in a mid set, I guess. So let's go ahead and finish off this last little bit. 05D, 17, 16. Here's one that's pretty well corroded. 2002P, yeah. 14P, 18, 16. Here's another corroded coin. It's an acid etched 97D. Take a good look at that one for you guys, because I've actually gotten people that emailed me images of coins that look like this, thinking that it might be a experimental rinse of some sort. 17D. You know what? If nothing ever pans out from these coin roll hunting videos, at the very least, you get a little information on, the non-errors, okay, which will help you guys a lot tremendously. Identifying what's a true blue error and what's one that's been doctored. So we got A6D, 14D. I need to invest in a, what do they call it? A coin mat. You guys seen that? It's a little mat with a little design on it. It seems to be a lot of people are using it. Yeah, and I'll throw in a little plug for my man Couch Collectibles that actually has some for sale. I might actually pick up one of his mats. But anyways, if you were to drop a coin, it would just make a soft thud as opposed to, the coins sounding like they're coming out of a slot machine tray, I guess. But so here we are in January. No big surprise that, some of the more prominent coin events are going to be happening. Okay. 2 days from now, you guys already know that the U.S. Mint will be selling the 2019 West Point Silver American Eagles. That's always a popular coin or silver bullion piece. But, the way it's presented, it's more of a collector grade type item. So therefore, I call it a coin. So that is going to be sold on Thursday. So if you're interested, I don't know. As far as I know, there is no mintage limit. So it's going to be, however many they decide to sell all the way up to the end of the year. And then that pretty much wraps up the proposed, I guess, mintage limit. Because once they close it out for sale, then, however many was sold would there in turn be the mintage of the thing. So 15D, 85D, 82D. So we have a 69D that I'll put aside, only because I know there's a repunched mint mark that exists at this grade. It's not going to be worth a whole lot, maybe $1 or so. But I'll put that one aside and I'll check it out later under magnification. So other things that are going on this week, of course, we have the Florida Fun Auction, which is live. The first day of the finalized, I guess, live auction is tomorrow, the 9th. So if you have a few pieces that you've looked at on there, okay, the actual live auction will be taking place tomorrow. So make sure you guys check that out if you so inclined. And let's see, what else is going on? Sometime either the end of this month or first week of February. This is important. So this is going to be my quick make a few dollars stock tip for you guys. The brand new 2019 Lincoln Cents should be rolling out to a bank near you. Okay, this always seems to be the timeline. I don't know if you guys recall, but last year someone had sold a brand new bank box, $25 bank box of 2018 Lincoln Cents for $500. It was over $500. And, if you guys are looking to make, at the very least, 4 times face on these new bank boxes, you want to make sure that you head to the bank and check in about, every 3 days or thereabouts to see if they have some of these boxes of the 2019 pennies. So, that way you could throw a few of them on eBay and I guess kind of recoup some money that you've spent over the holidays. Because I know people are paying off credit cards and they're getting ready for tax season and so on and so forth. So people are always looking to, kind of find a few innovative channels to make some money. So that's one way. Unfortunately, I don't have any reliable banks in my area that hold some of the new material. I know the nickels and dimes would be a good one to get if you're able to find them. Again, that's going to take a lot of searching and a lot of reaching out to your local financial institutions to see if they can help you out. I find that the bigger bank branches can accommodate you better than some of the smaller like credit unions and that sort of thing. Because they have those merchant services. They go through a lot more coinage because they hand them out to all these businesses. So nothing really exciting here into dimes. It's kind of lousy. Of course, it's only $5, and I'm kind of slow rolling it through here for the video. But that 69D was the oldest one by far. So. And again, I've had a few people ask me, why don't you do a full box? Well, if you want to see a video that's 4 hours long, sure, I could do that for you. You should see me rip open a box of pennies. I take forever on that. So, but yeah. My big old chunky sausage fingers have a hard time holding on to these things. Dimes, I usually cramp up and get all arthritic. It's kind of funny. But, whoa. Roosevelt needs to get that checked out, huh? It's a big old grease spot of some sort, but yeah, nothing there. So I am going to do some sort of giveaway for YouTube sometime this month. I'm kind of still trolling through, some of the prize ideas. It's going to be different than what is than what I did on Facebook. I plan on doing more prizes because there's more people that are supporting me here, and it's a weak strike right there. See that bottom rim right there is non-existent. Unfortunately, it's not worth a whole lot, but it's a great piece to have on the side as kind of a reference piece. Just stick it in a 2x2 and just hold on to it. Yeah, so I'm working on the giveaway. It might be sometime this month. I've kind of been behind the 8 ball with some other items on the agenda. Oh boy, if only that 82 did not have a mint mark, we'd be rolling right now. So I have like one neighbor that still has their Christmas lights up. It's kind of crazy. There's always that one house that has their Christmas lights up till like mid-February, and it's my neighbor that lives across the way here. So nothing wrong with that. I kind of miss Christmas. So yeah, it's a lot of 2000s in here, guys. Sorry, there's nothing enterprising. Hey, but at the very least, I kept on talking and flapping my gums over here. Ow. So we're almost done. Got one more roll, and then the torture ends officially. So that's pretty much a little bit of update. Yeah, my wife didn't tell me that we had a whole bunch of, events and birthday parties and doctor's appointments going on this month. So I've been in and out of the house. And I keep telling her, I need to get on my Facebook and my Instagram. And I have a lot of people I need to respond back to. There's a 66 in there, but there was nothing special about that. No double dies to speak of. And it's 67. Now, there is a double die in 67. That I just dropped. No, I'm just kidding. That I will check out. So, double die obverse. It's in the Cherry Picker's Guide right here. Start off the new year right and get a Cherry Picker's Guide. I've been selling a ton of these. And if you haven't bought one yet, you should. What exactly is a Cherry Picker's Guide? Well, if you want to find some rare varieties, double dies, transitionals, repunch mid-marks, okay, you need the guide with some great, phenomenal photos in there to help kind of guide your way to success. And it's a great tool when you're coin roll hunting. Thought I'd throw that little plug in, I guess it doesn't hurt. Of course, I've got my Amazon links down here. I do get a small percentage, that's a great way of supporting your boy Blue Ridge. Of course, I gave away a few red books during my giveaway a few months ago, so that was nice. And I have one more I need to ship out, so which we will get there eventually. So, anyways, we're almost done. A few more coins, and then that'll do's her. At the very least, throw like a gnarly die break my way. I'd enjoy that. 79. Whew. Nice. And that is all, guys. So, what did we learn in this video? Not a whole lot for 14 minutes. If you joined in all the way to the end, bless your heart, because, I probably would have stopped at 2 minutes. No, I'm just kidding. Anyways, hope you guys had a wonderful evening. You grabbed a cup of tea or scoop of ice cream while you're watching Blue Ridge. Again, appreciate your guys' patronage and support. As always, come check me out on Facebook and Instagram. It's a great place to partay, like you would not believe. So you guys have a wonderful evening. I'll see you on the next video at the spot. And you guys keep hunting. And I'll talk to you soon. Take care.